Hi, my name is Ken Whitaker, the Managing Director of Leading Software Maniacs. Welcome to another PowerPoint Quick Start tutorial. Transitions and animations. So which slide gets the transition effect, and can a slide automatically transition to the next slide in the presentation? And if you've tried to animate overlapping text and graphics, PowerPoint's assigned names don't help at all. There must also be a better way to reorder objects than send to back or bring to front commands, right? Finally, is there a simple way to replace graphic images when marketing gives you completely new artwork? You sure don't want to start over again. In this quick start, I'll show you how to do it. On behalf of Leading Software Maniacs, thank you for watching this video.